Best coffee maker. Number 5. Preeti Drip Cafe Coffee Maker. Approx price 2399 rupees. Power 450 watts. Operating voltage 230 volts. Heat resistant high grade plastic. Accurate temperature control. Heat sensitive thermal fuse. Warranty 1 year on product. Number 4. Philips HD 743120 760 watt coffee maker. Approx price 3570 rupees. Power 700 watts. Operating voltage 230 volts. Capacity 0.6 liter and brewing time 10 minutes. Non-slip fee and illuminated power switch. Detachable filter holder and drip stop. Number 3. Pigeon Brewster Coffee Maker 600 watt 4 cup drip coffee maker. Approx price 1523 rupees. Coffee maker comes with advanced brewing technology with mesh filter. 600 watt heating plate. Capacity 600 ml. Anti-drip mechanism. Number 2. Instacupa French Press Coffee Maker with 4-part superior filtration 600 ml. Approx price 1599 rupees. Measurement markings. No more cloudy coffee. Built for durability. Sleek and timeless design. Number 1. Morphy Richards New Europa 800 watt espresso and cappuccino 4 cup coffee maker. Approx price 4690 rupees. Power 800 watts. Operating voltage 230 volts. Bar pressure 4. Milk frothing nozzle. Warranty 2 years on product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.